Let's go. Better not be fucking raining. Oh, it's fucking pissing it, dude.
Full fucking wet.
Me and Biz at the back. Got a lot of ground to make up with Biz. Alright, what to do? How do I change up again? Oh god. Oh, drive through penalty to jump in the start.
Jump
What?
started.
Ah, I didn't even know that was a thing.
No.
How did I jump the start? I had the clutch held in. I don't fucking get what just happened. I cannot see a thing.
Turn.
Why will it not you in a straight line?
I've hit someone. Oh, time through 2 second time penalty. This is really hard to see. Another penalty, I think. No, might go away with that one. Oh god, it's I spun.
I get a little bit wide.
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm on the grass.
Oh, Biz is wild! He's wild! Oh, he's fully wild.
I smashed it.
I'll wait for you, Biz. We can have a race.
They're right in the back here.
Oh, did you? Oh, yeah, it's really not noticeable when someone crashes into you on this one. I hit Saigon yesterday. Oh, no, Saigon hit me yesterday. I didn't even know. Oh, nice.
Yes.
Cheeky. Oh, illegal overtake.
Oh! I've hit you. Go so slow, don't you? It's stupid. Oh, little drift from Bizzle. Oh, Bizzle! Oh, he's wild! He's taking us both out.
This is even more fun. Watching you slide around the place.
Oh, it's not my fault. It's bullshit.
Oh, there's Biz.
No! Biz is just taking a piss.
Oh,
No, he taked it.
Oh, for God's sakes.
I thought you were just like weaving to take the piss. Oh, I get it. That's quite cool, actually. I'm racing through the field.
I've been done.
Just wait for Biz to tag me from behind. Biz tag me from behind. Someone's hit me.
God's sakes.
Hit me.
Oh, Jesus Christ, it's chaos.
Yeah, it's a bit wild, isn't it? P16. Where are you, Saigon?
Second now.
Oh, dive. Submarine, mate. Submarine. Oh, God, why are they all slow as fuck through there? Evasive action. I'm 12th.
Oh, get off me.
Yeah, they like a hug, don't they? It's just so much better than in the wet. Actually accelerate. It's great. Hey, John.
Hi, Joe.
Get off! Why is he stuck to my fucking rear bumper? Great, he's fucked me again. Oh, the AI!
Don't make me laugh.
They fucking do my head in. They're just like magnets to your fucking rear bumper, and then you can't move. He's just dragging me along the wall with him. Bring me down with you, just because you've done shit, mate. Sake, now I'm last. Great.
Goodbye, Harlow. Ripping that ass.
Whipping at it. Oh no, one on the grass. Heavy lock up. Get out of the way, Van Doon. Got Bizzles to catch.
Oh,
Oh! Oh no! AI! Biz! Hey Biz! Laters! He's gonna hit me. Oh, Biz will go for the overtake.
Ryan.
God, Biz.
Oh, he's done it. I'll give you room. I'll give you room. Oh, I've hit you. Fuck. Oh, that was a bit a bit wild.
Oh, fucking hell.
We just mug Van Doon off. Just fully mug it.
Absolutely send it.
That didn't work, did it?
I thought I was mugging it. Fucking hell.
Absolutely flew. Oh, shit.
God. Can we do 25% now?
Oh, still can't get across the sodding line.
25.
Oh fuck, I forgot to let go. Saigon got the best start. Can confirm.
Ugh.
Oh, Saigon's just mugged everyone. Get off me, AI! Get off me! Behind me, devil. Is that you next to me, Biz? Oh god, it is.
Oh,
Both of us.
that's gone badly.
Nudge Biz. Sorry, Biz.
Piled up the inside.
Oh, Biz got T-boned!
I mean, they are pretty fucking trashy low AI.
And they're only set on 40 out of 100, so maybe we just need to open a bit. Oh no! No, 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 no. Oh no. What position are you, Saigon?
11th.
14. Coming for you, boy.
So much grip.
Yeah, there is on that faster actually, isn't there? I just realised.
Honestly, my Sauber career is absolutely fucking dreadful.
Oh god, that's not where I thought that corner went. Fuck.
Bullshit.
Oh, bit of wheel spin.
not a bit happy with the throttle there.
Yeah, a lot of wheel spin for me. Can't see the braking
Why is
mark.
Alonso just winning everything? Oh, someone's hit me.
This did get proper T-boned in the
This
last
did.
one. That's fucking comedy. Oh, you're fully off, aren't you?
Fully,
Oh, you got some work to do now, son. Yeah, I greatly improved.
Jeez. I spun it again. I can't get going. Absolutely fucking fine.
Good, at least it's actually going to be an interesting race now then. Not just you winning. Go away, AI! Go away! Can't I get around the outside of him there, can I? It's not good.
Spun it again. This is brutal.
Oh god, hit someone. Oh good. Spun. Done a spin. Last. Apart from you.
Oh, good.
Oh no! Yeah, that's what you mean about tyres. They're a bit wild now. Oh
You're
god.
so bad.
I'm not even
You're
on
so
throttle
bad.
and it's still sliding everywhere. I haven't seen any AI since the first lap. I haven't seen you. What's going on? I'll wait for you and then at least we can just race for the race one. Yep, just waiting for you. Yep. Didn't go off there. Oh,
Yep, sure.
you hit me! You fucking smashed me off the track as you
Did I really?
passed. Yeah.
I came flying through then as well.
I never thought you were going to slow down.
Absolutely fine.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I'll let you get back. I'll let you get back.
Send it. Send it.
Speaking of bringing it back,
This
1-8.
corner, I can't fucking see this corner at all. I think the best I've done it so far, I think. 1-8, Jill? You 1-8 in it with the retards?
1-8.
One more win.
One more game. This bit though I'm not good at. Where you mugged me before, I'll get out of your way. Oh! I'll get out of your way.
Ah, turn.
Let's see, I think if you
Locked up.
give you room. You lock up again. He's a little late, don't mind. Oh, he's wild! Fuck's sake. Oh, it reset me?